So guys, when I talk about F5, we'll be going with a lab where you can build your lab. I'll be sharing you software images today only. So by next weekend, you will be ready at least with basics lab. So we'll be doing all the labs in virtual edition that is called VMware Workstation. So I'll be sharing by tomorrow, by this week. Even I'll be sharing you lab guide basics so that you can at least install software image. So how the lab topology is, let's discuss quickly so that you can be ready. And I want everyone, guys, by next weekend, they should be able to access this page so that you can do labs with me together. So this page, you need to understand how you will get it. So next weekend, I'll be sharing you all the things. But if you want to prepare in advance, I'll be sharing you images. So in images, you will have one F5 image that is called ISO. Okay. Or you can say OVA because we will be doing lab on VMware. So the image which is required is OVA. So first, how you need to do, I'll be sharing you what VMware workstation image also. Many you must have, but I'll be sharing. I've taken the email IDs, just fill it. I'll sharing this. We'll be using in VMware workstation 15. How it is looks like, this is how it looks like. This is my VMware workstation. So I'll be sharing you VMware workstation. I'll be sharing you OV image for F5. I'll be sharing you OV image for 3 servers. Okay. So how we'll be deploying this? We'll be using one client. Client will be my laptop. We will be deploying F5 OVA image. We will be deploying 3 servers to show you how load balancing happens. So these servers are red, green, blue. So F5 RAM, if it's a new laptop, you can try with 4 GB, otherwise 8 GB is required. For red, green, blue servers, you only need 128 MB RAM. So how you can see this, I'll show you. Everything we'll cover in next class, but I wanted to cover basics so that you can understand RAM and hard disk. So see, I have given 10 GB because I have 32 GB RAM. Processor 2, default hard disk 2. And this network configuration, adapter configuration, I'll be telling you, don't worry on that part. Just install VMware Workstation and just install these images. That's it. Import it. Install VMware Workstation and import F5 image, red, green, and blue servers. I'll be sharing you lab guide and I will be sharing you lab video also, which has all these details. So this is the lab, network part, management IP, licensing, everything I will do it. But license part I need to cover today, how you get a 30 days free license. That is important. So that you can start registering today, because sometimes it takes 3 days to get a license. Sometimes it takes 7 days to get license. One request to everyone is either try it today, but try to register tomorrow, Monday to Friday between after 8 p.m. IST, because F5 team works in US hours. They will give you an approval. And try to get license using company email ID, guys. Don't fill any fake information. You need to share proper name, proper company name, proper contact information. You should not come to me that I'm not getting license. You should try with proper details, company email ID. If you use proper details, you will get a license. If someone is not getting, you can help each other. You will get two license key. But try to use company email ID. Now I will tell you the process. Please understand carefully. Without license, you will not able to do any lab. So what is license file? License is like this. Go to system. You will see evolution license. It is for 1 month. After that, you can use same process using another email ID. How you need to get this key? Go to google.com. Just type 30 days license F5. Please try to register by tomorrow. Because F5 is on leave today, Saturday, Sunday, they don't approve. They need to approve it. Go here. After that, go downwards. You can see this F5 Big IP Virtual Edition. Just select here, get the free trial. You need to register or sign in. If you already have an email ID, or you need to register by your company email ID. Okay, like this. If someone wants to give me the details, you can give, I will show you. For anyone, just ping me your name, email ID. If you want to share on the chat, you can share, I will register for you. Let's try for someone. Okay, Naveen Singh, I will try for you. What is your email ID? Okay, thank you. I hope you have the access and might need a code right now. So make sure you have the access of your email ID. Location, India. Password, Naveen, I am sharing you. I am keeping it. What password I'll share you on the chat. Okay, it's saying that I'll use some other password. I'll ping you Naveen separately. Naveen Singh. I shared you the password. I'll create and continue. Now Naveen, you might have got a confirmation email. Can you do that? Pranav, you can try that. Otherwise, it's free for everyone. You can try by your company email ID. It does not need to be F5 partner or something. If it's good, you can get it. If you follow this process, register by your company email ID only. And try it Monday to Friday after 8 p.m. evening. So Naveen, just 2 minutes, guys. Naveen is checking. He might have got a confirmation email. So you need to just verify and complete the registration. And guys, this video is also available in my channel. I'll show you my channel. How to get a license. Go to Skilled Inspirational Academy. Go to playlist. You can see different playlist, but there is one F5 playlist. So here you will get one license. I have registered this one, F5 new portal. So you can refer this. I'm sharing you on the chat. Naveen, did you got the link? So this has all the process how you can register and get it. How you will get, this is how you will get an email. I'll show you. Okay, Naveen has activated. Let me log in through Naveen email. With I'm signing in. So first, guys, you need to register by your company email ID. Then I'm login. Just wait. Now here you need to share your title, job title and role. So Naveen, can you ping me your title? Company I'm typing Wipro. Street address, can you ping me the exact address and city where your company is? Because you need to fill the correct details. If you fill any details, your company, it will not work. You need to fill. You can just tell me the address where your company is, like Delhi, Noida, city, address, exact address. We'll search. You just tell me the address and your portal code. This is also important, like zip code and all. You need to fill exactly. Anyways, guys, you can go ahead with me. You can register right now, but I will tell you when you need to request for license. I'm just waiting for Naveen to share his street address, city where his company is, and code. These details, guys, please fill it correctly. Otherwise, you will get a delay in getting the approval. Okay, he has shared. Just click complete registration. Now, now you will get like email authentication, because every time you log in, you will get a code. So I will set up. So Naveen, you will get a code in your email ID. Can you share me that code? On your email ID, you must have got the code. Yeah, Prakash, you need to share your exact location where you are, your company address where you are working. 399151. Thank you, Naveen. You will get, I'll click finish. Two-way authentication is successful. Now you have successfully logged in and registered. Now it will give you the link to register it. So guys, here you can see three options: subscription, trials, and open case. You just go to trials. Please very, very carefully listen this. You need to go to trial option. This. Okay. Just click on this. After that, can you see this? There are two options. big IP next. And there are others, F5 Nginx. You need to select this one, guys. F5 big virtual edition, because you're working in big IP product virtual edition, not big IQ. Just be careful. Start free trial. You need to select no, I'm not downloading on behalf of government entity. Save. Now that's it. Now they are setting up your trial. You will get an email ID also, plus you will get license key here. Let's see. Let's try our luck. If you get it today, then it will be good. So this is the process to get a free license key, guys. That's it. You just try this tomorrow after 7 p.m. and try to get it before Friday, everyone. I need two things from you. You need to first install VMware Workstation. Second, I'll be sharing you F5 images. You need to just import F5 image and 3 servers image, red, green, blue. And third thing, register for license. You just get a license key. Naveen, you just check your email if you get a license key. Just okay. I think Prakash, you just register, but don't start free trial. Try it tomorrow. But I think Naveen has got it already. See, here you go downwards. You can try, but I would suggest some people will not get it. So try it tomorrow after 7. Prakash, oh sorry, Naveen, finally you have got it here. Just click on this. You got a license. Now you can do a lab. Email can take time, but you can see here. Here, see, you get a license. So your luck was good, you got a license. Now here, how you can use it. So these are the key. I will hide it for you. So these are the keys, but you need to use big IP. This is big IQ. So you need to use this one, big IP. There are two big IP, first and third. Use it. Sorry, I want to hide it because it's for Naveen. If someone is having issues, you can share with each other. These are the key you need to look, big IP and this big IP. These are the two keys. You just copy it and I will tell you the process, how to activate. Make sure that you use only this key, big IP virtual edition. That's it, guys. That is how you can register for your license. See, Naveen has shared company IP, right? Company email ID and company address. He got it. Maybe you try from tomorrow 7 p.m. because Monday to Friday F5 is online. They approve it. Some people can get it today. It's your choice. That's it. You get it today, tomorrow, till Friday I need. On Saturday, we'll do the lab. At that time, we will go. So Naveen, you don't need a link. I'll share you the link, but you just go here, yeah. Just sign out. I'll show you again. It's very easy. Just type F5 30 days license. Everything will come by default. Just type this F5 30 days license. You don't need to cram anything. Just go to product trial. Just go here, F5 big IP, virtual edition, get the free trial. Just log in here. That is the link. After that, since you have already a sign in, you back to click on sign in. You just type your email ID, click next, your password, sign in. License day Prakash will count from whenever you activate on device, not from today. Whenever you will activate on the device from that date will count. So here you can see I activated on 24 days, 24th. Maybe I got license on in September or October, but when I apply here from that date it will start. So Naveen, just share me your organization code once again. Because every time once you log in, you will get an activation code. 9489. Thank you. Prakash, 30 days is more than enough. If you want to use, you can use another email ID. Anyways, you have two license. One you can use for 30 days, one you can use after that. So, Naveen, this is how you go. Here you go downwards, you will see this. That's it. Anyways, I'll share this link to you all. Okay, this is how guys license process is. So it's very easy. So we have done guys today introduction of F5, why F5 is required. Software license I have told you. A REST initial setup of big IP management interface, device certificate, NTP network. This I'll be discussing next class. After that, we discussed about F5 terminologies. This one we'll discuss about components. This is also very, very important. So we have 12 modules total. Cover this first and second, like basic lab setup, health monitor, everything in another class. So this way we will go. I'll be sharing the course content. Course content is in the WhatsApp group. This is how we will go. Uh, 2-3 pictures more I need to discuss, which is important. Then I will take last Q&A. So I was telling you guys, your F5 models, you can deploy big IP F5s in your virtual editions, physically also, and hybrid also. So question which can be asked as an interview, can you please tell me which model number you have worked? So F5 basic model is 2000 series. That is the first model which has been introduced by F5 big IP. Then there is 4000, 5000, 7000, and there are Viprion chases also. That it means there is a chases where you can install multiple F5 hardwares. And in virtual edition, it license comes based on your throughput, whether you need a 25 Mbps throughput, 200 Mbps, 1 Gbps. It depends from your customer. They will tell you which license is required so that you can ask them. So F5 model number of hardware, right? This. Just remember this. Also, you can go to Google and get this. How you can refer, just go to F5. Just go here, F5 data sheet. So it will tell you different. So you can refer this also. These are R series. You can go to F5 product. It will tell you. which series, 2000 series, what are the facilities it gives. You can refer this. Some are end of life, let's say 2000. You can just open this, it will tell you how many layer 7 requests it can handle, what is the software architecture operating system, how many memory is there, how many hard disk is there. Don't need to cram it. Just go to this website, World Tech IT. It's a good website which gives you details of all the hardware available and the facilities. How many transaction per second it can handle. What is the RAM hard disk? Everything is available. This question can be asked in interview, guys. So I wanted to cover that. And now the last thing, guys, certification. How the certification, this question everyone has. First of all, guys, one thing I need to tell you is F5 certification starts with 101. And trust me, guys, there is no setting available. You cannot give money extra and crack it. That is the first important thing. Okay? You cannot crack any F5 exam with settings. You need to work hard. And I am there to help you. Plus, there are no dumps. F5 is such in demand exam certification. Why? Because if you go to Gulf countries like Dubai, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, they want a certified engineer. Trust me, if you're certified, you are really demanding. It is not like Palo Alto, FortiGate, you can crack it. You can pay extra cost and crack it. That's what I heard. But in F5, it's not like that. It starts with 101. Once you clear 101, you need to crack 201. Once you crack this, then only you will get a certificate. That is called TMOS and administrator and application delivery. That I'll be covering in your course content. Once you clear this both, you will get this F5 certified admin. After that, this is the like CCNA and CCNP. After that, it depends on you whether you go with LTM specialist, advanced exam, or you can directly go with GTM. You can directly go with WAF certification. You can directly go with APM. Once you clear any of this, you will get this CTS technology specialist. After that, guys, these are too demanding. If you want to become cloud expertise 402, my plan is this one. Last exam. I am at this phase. Trust me, for this also, it took me 3 years. If you go with me, certification, it's really in demand. And that is how your certification is. You can take a snapshot. So this was, guys, today's class. I wanted to stop here so that I can take some Q&A. From next weekend, we'll start little more and labs and all so that you can get a good idea. I'll stop recording here.